Trader Joe's. Yesterday I went to make a mushroom pizza. I didn't have those Trader Joe's mushrooms, so I'm gonna stock up on a whole bunch of stuff. The last time we were here, it was right before we left to Japan, and we already used up everything, funny enough. Okay, there you go. Is that good? Oh no, Tiny little Trader Joe's carts. First thing we're here to get, probably one of their most underrated frozen food. This right here, the mushroom medley for pizzas, for pasta, and for steaks. It's our favorite mushroom medley. Frozen mushrooms, so convenient, easy to prepare, but Trader Joe's is the only place you can get it. I'm gonna buy like 6 of those today. Hey, you want your snack finally? So this is the first time I've ever seen this. It looks just like Dr. Bronner's soap. Yeah. I wonder if this is made by the same company. They just rebrand it like Trader Joe's. Banana? Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of bananas over there. These are the perfect sizes, especially for you guys. You don't want them too big because sometimes they waste them. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna get one bunch of bananas, okay? That's a good price, 29 cents each. And that's for the organic one. Anyways, yeah, that soap, Dr. Bronner's. It's all natural. It's been around forever. I did say you could have this, okay? Right here, look at this. If you guys are wondering, this is the Black Forest fruit strips. Basically like a fruit leather. That's all it is. It's fruit. This is a grape flavor. Here, there you go. Hold it from the plastic so you don't get your... Oh yeah, you like that, don't you? Mm-hmm. Okay, in fact, Trader Joe's has their own version of this right here. Fruit leathers, apple blueberry, flavored. There's a whole bunch of different ingredients. Pretty wholesome snack though. I don't mind giving the girls this every single day on top of some kind of sugary dessert. This is a little bit different. Dried fruit bars. Similar though. Actually, I might get that for myself. On my last Trader Joe's trip, somebody mentioned they love these green mangoes, and I can tell you, they're bomb. They're not too sweet too. I mean, of course they put sugar on it, but because it's not that sweet in the first place, it's a perfect snack. Judy asked for some side vegetables, so let me get a pack of asparagus. These look good. I like it when it's a little thinner. So Judy's been cooking a lot of Brussels sprouts lately. This is the only organic one left, but it's not looking so good. I'm just gonna go for the conventional ones, which are clearly way bigger, probably for a reason. It's all good. Brussels sprouts, super easy to make and make delicious. Salt, pepper, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, that's all you need. It's really about roasting it to the perfect crispness. Speaking of Brussels sprouts, I just found these. Look at this. This is what I love about Trader Joe's. Super convenient, and it looks delicious. Hey, show me calm. Oh no. Show me calm. This is Brussels sprouts. You want these Brussels sprouts? She actually eats her Brussels sprouts. But anyways, yeah, so super convenient. Look at that, you just heat it up and it's ready to go. But Judy makes pretty darn good Brussels sprouts, so we don't need that. Ooh, 4-cheese scallop potatoes. I actually made this not too long ago. I made a video about it and it actually turned out really good. Does anybody remember the debacle where we tried to film scallop potatoes years ago? We're talking almost a decade ago, definitely 7 or 8 years ago, and we failed 3 times. So hopefully you guys are happy with that scallop potato video we finally made happen. Found something she likes doing right here. Hey, hold on a sec, you knock this thing over. Okay, let's go. No, you can't sit on this one, okay? That's not the kind of car you're gonna fall right through. Come on, push the car, please. What are you doing? No, that's not how it works. Your butt's gonna fall right through. These are the biggest organic lemons I've ever seen. It's bigger than the regular lemons. Literally says wow on the packaging. I'm gonna get 2 of these, that's a good deal. $3 for 3. Hey, you're gonna get stuck down there. Yeah, you're stuck. You're stuck. No idea how you figured out how to stay down there. Seriously, there's a huge gap in the cart, so I'm pretty surprised that she's made that work. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Let's push. Can you push, please? There we go. Much better. If you're a new parent, just know that going a little crazy is par for the course. Hey, even if you just have 1, if you got 5 like me, it'll teach you patience on a whole nother level. See, she just wants to play. She's been playing all day, so I don't know what else you want here, girl. Happy?
Yeah.
What do you say? Okay, so this is kind of a rare find. Organic grape Merlot. You liking that? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try that out. It's only $6. Can't beat that. It's definitely one of the best deals wine at Trader Joe's. I've mentioned this one before, Chariot wine. Me and Judy, we used to drink this religiously at the condo. Do you remember the condo days? $5. That's crazy. That's how much a glass of wine costs at a restaurant. So whenever I make pizza sauce, this is my favorite brand, and this is only $4. But what's nuts about it is you used to be able to buy a whole can of whole tomatoes, like this big can, for $1.50, maybe $2, and now it's literally double the price from just, I'm gonna say, 8 to 10 years ago. This right here, I just made this for the girls. I made a mac and cheese, but I use this trophy pasta. This is bomb. Definitely would suggest this with a bechamel. Hi. Hey, did you like the mac and cheese today? Yeah. So yeah, this, they say it has kind of a bite to it, and I would agree. So this is definitely a good deal. $1.99 for this, but not only is it organic, this is high quality stuff. You can kind of tell by the texture. So try this for sure. I bought 3 packages of it. Right here, calamansi mango sorbet. This is one of the reasons I even came to Trader Joe's. This specific right here, other than the mushroom, of course. This sounds hella bomb. But you know what I noticed? No more ube. That is one thing about Trader Joe's. They have great products, but sometimes, oh yeah, here, let me tighten that for you. Hey, can you please sit back up? Sometimes they don't have it for very long. It's either seasonal or it's just a one-time deal. Hi. Because that ube ice cream is pretty darn good. So I was looking around and was hoping to find pineapples, and look what's hiding in the very back. Right here. Pineapple tidbits. Yes, I'm definitely gonna get this. This is perfect for smoothies. Kira loves pineapples in her smoothies. What you doing? You sleeping? You sleeping? You're a jokester, you know that? Okay, so tonight I'm gonna make some pasta for myself, and with that pasta I just bought, I'm gonna use this tomato basil marinara. Really basic sauce. To go with that marinara, I'm gonna take a couple of these, saute it, and yeah, toss the pasta in this. There's a lot of cheese alternatives here at Trader Joe's. So this is made out of cashews. I should just use this and see if the girls notice a difference. I'm looking for cheddar. Ooh, look at this. New Zealand organic sliced cheese. Now let's try that. You ready to go? Let's go now. Come on. So I bought some syrup from Costco the other day, so I'm gonna get this half and half to make Italian sodas. You need to get club soda. You probably would love Italian sodas. Hey, don't mess with that, girl. That looks kind of gross. You're cute, you know that? Oh no, don't worry. I'm keeping my eye on her. She won't fall out. Yeah, they hooked you up. Stickers and a lollipop? Trader Joe's. Okay, time to go home for reals now.